The wifey tells me she wants one of these for taking pictures of babies and whatnot. I says, let me finish paying off the house before we refinance. Golly. We went to Home Depot. And I think we're going to make one for a lot cheaper. We spent $70, 69 something. And I think we got everything we need. It'll be better than that one. So what we got so far? We got Ringo number 10 for on top. Ring number 2, slightly smaller for on bottom. Do this here like conical shape. And we use the bigger 3/4. We got the half 3/4. 3/4 legs going up just to make it a little, hopefully make it a little more stable. It's really just holding a piece of fabric to droop over the bed. And then you put said child on there. Not that child.
Classy parts.
He's a toots,
He's
my
a
goats.
classy man on camera.
He's classy. Yeah. So 3/4 legs going up. We're just got to figure out the legs because we want the top ring on a bit of an angle so that it's taller in the back, shorter in the front. That way when you take the pictures, it gives you a bit of a backdrop. We're just figuring out that height there now. Yeah, ladies and germs, she's looking pretty real. A couple more legs. 2 more legs to put in, and then we're gonna, they didn't have enough of these here at the Home Depot, so we got 5 legs that we're doing. But we're gonna get 2 more when we can and put another leg in the middle there, which will make 6 legs. 6 legs evenly spaced at about 2.5 feet apart on the top ring and 20 inches apart on the bottom ring. So far it's looking pretty good. There she is, all 5 legs in her. She's fairly stable. Imagine it's not as stable as the $9 million one, but that's what happens when she's 1/10 of the price. Put the fabric on and see what it does. Here it is with the fabric. Here it is with tiny baby.
Not so tiny baby.
Yeah, he's a fatso. We'll take some sample photos for y'all at home.